Yeah, let's continue. As part of AWS EC2, let's continue very important concept called what is key pair in AWS. What is key pair in AWS team? Let me explain. ex- Let me explain key pair team. First point to team. Let's say this is my server mission, server. Let's say I am working in my client location, let's say Hyderabad. Let's say someone is working in Bangalore, someone working at Pune, Pune. Then they want to connect this server mission. They want to connect this server mission. Usually we use usernames, we use username and password to connect this one. Let's say this is user one, user two, and user 3, or developer 1, developer 2, developer 3, or tester 1, tester 2, tester 3, or admin 1, admin 2, admin 3. So every person having username and password to connect to this mission. Yes or no? So, so to connect the servers, we will get username and password. But in AWS, once you create a once you create a virtual machine using service called EC2, they will provide a username. They will provide a username. Example, example. Let's say team, if you are using Ubuntu, Ubuntu, if you are using Ubuntu, then they will give username is username is Ubuntu. Username is Ubuntu. If you create Amazon Linux, if you create Amazon Linux operating system. So Amazon also having their own operating system called Amazon Linux. Username is EC2. Username is what? EC2. So for every operating system, they give a username, but no password. No password. With username, only username we cannot connect. Server required username and password. So for password purpose, what they are giving is they are giving password in encrypted format. That encrypted format they give in the file called key pair file. So while creating EC2 instance, we have an option called key pair. We have an option called key pair. While creating EC2 instance, we have an option called key pair or in EC2 dashboard, we have an option called create a key pair. So you can create a key pair and download that key pair. Then whoever using, just now I said, Bangalore 1%, Hyderabad 1%, Chennai 1%, Pune 1%, Mumbai 1% is working. For all them, share this key pair file. Share this key pair file. Then if they want to connect from their machine, they use username, they attach this key pair. They attach this key pair. They use their username, they attach this key pair so that they can access this EC2 mission. Okay, clear, right? What is key pair? Yeah. Now let me add two more points to it. Let me add two important points. This key pair file format we are getting in two formats. One is .pem, one is .pem, another one is .ppk. File formats. This key pair file formats .pem and .ppk. Example, SSH clients. SSH clients. We have different SSH clients. Putty, Putty, M remote ng, M remote ng, and MobiXterm, and we have OpenSSH, and Microsoft provides remote RDS, we can say RDS, and plenty of SSH clients are available. Plenty of SSH connections, SSH clients are available. Some clients supports .ppk, some clients supports .pem. These Putty, M remote ng, MobiXterm people supports .ppk. This OpenSSH and RDS people supports .pem. These people supports .pem file format. So depends upon the client we are going to use. Download corresponding file format. You may have a question. I downloaded .ppk format. Later I want to use different SSH client. How can I convert .ppk to .pem? Yes, we can convert .pem to .ppk, .ppk to .pem. There is a software, Puttigen. Puttigen software. We can use Puttigen software to convert .pem to .ppk, .ppk to .pem, vice versa, is possible. Today you are using Putty, tomorrow you may use OpenSSH. If I download only one file format, then later I may suffer, right? So we have multiple softwares available in the market. One free software called Puttigen. Using Puttigen software, whatever the format you want to convert, you can convert. Okay. Now let's see practical implementation of creating key pair. So first log into AWS Cloud, navigate EC2 mission, then left to side, you can see network and security. In this, you can see key pairs. Click on key pairs. Currently, there are no key pairs to display. Means I did not create any key pair. You can create a key pair using create key pair. And I am giving name Akkem _ Sreenivasa _ key pair. I am creating this one. And it is providing encryption algorithms RSA and ED 25519. You can select a default one, okay, and private key file format. I said I'm going to use Putty, M remote ng or MobiXterm. Then I'm going to use PPK file format. Then click on create a key pair. So key pair is created and it is downloaded. It is downloaded. So I am going to use this key pair. I am going to place this key pair in my drive. You can keep it in anywhere. You can keep it in anywhere, but I am creating all under my AWS location. Here I am creating keys folder, Then I am keeping my AWS things in one folder. I am keeping everything in separate folder. So I have created successfully. Clear writing, how to create a key pair, what is key pair and how to create a key pair. Clear writing.